This is a quick video to show you how to install Google Chrome. You must be on the Rogers School Wi-Fi network. Next, click on the red FileWave icon. Then click Install Software. You'll get a dialog box that opens. Then we need to click on Chrome and click Install. And we'll see the progress bar there. Let's click on the message and see what it says. Once installed, click on the Chrome icon on your desktop to open. We can go into our settings and make it our default browser if we prefer. I double-clicked on the icon on the desktop. I'm now getting some notifications that will allow me to set Chrome as my browser and log in if I wish. I'm going to recommend that you do use Chrome for your projects in this class because we will also be using Google File Stream, and they work well together. Thanks for watching.